I gonna make today pizza quattro formaggi. So I take a lot dough, 260 gram of dough. I'm doing like this, and pizza quattro formaggi is amazing. Is quattro formaggi means a 4 type of cheese without sauce pizza. I do like this. Now it's maybe maximum is size is 13-inch or 12-inch pizza. So pizza, so is now I'm gonna add mozzarella, 100% cow milk mozzarella. Little bit of parmesan, and gorgonzola is we call it here in gorgonzola, but you call also blue cheese. And telemia also. Telemia just like cottage cheese, salted cottage cheese. I put in inside the oven. Let's wait for 5 minutes for cooking. Maximum cooking temperature is 300 to 350 Celsius degree. Now gonna check how was it. Wow, the amazing color. Turn around like this. Pizza quattro formaggi. Wow, look, that color is awesome, amazing. And after 30 seconds more cook, let's remove out. Wow, look at that color. Ready to serve.